In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Asana Premium features. First, open any project in Asana. Click on the Timeline tab. This shows your tasks like a visual schedule. You can drag tasks to set start and end dates. To connect tasks, add dependencies. This helps you see which tasks rely on others. Next, use advanced search. Click the search bar and apply filters like assignee, due date, or priority. You can save these searches to reuse later. This helps you quickly track important tasks. Now go to Customize in your project. Add custom fields like priority, status, or budget. This lets you organize and filter tasks more clearly. Next, create a portfolio. Add multiple projects into one view. You can track progress, status, and deadlines across all projects. This is useful if you manage multiple teams or projects. Inside the portfolio, open the Workload tab. Here you can see how tasks are distributed across your team. If someone has too much work, you can reassign tasks easily. This helps balance your team's workload. Finally, go to Admin Settings if you manage a team. You can control permissions and security options. For example, enable two-factor authentication for safety. Using these features helps you plan better, track progress, and manage teams efficiently. That is how you use Asana Premium.